students, welcome back to our mathematics class. Today is April 25, 2021, and Happy New Week to you all. And the value of the month remains friendship. Like I told you last week that we've come to the end of our textbook, and now we'll be taking only revision. So we have only the revision of the previous lessons. So our revision today is on measuring meters, perimeter I mean, like it's written here, we have review. So this is on page 107. And the lesson objectives are, at the end of this lesson, students should be able to estimate and measure the length of the pencils, okay? And find the perimeter of some geometric shapes, knowing the length of their sides, okay? And the vocabulary words are perimeter, measure, length, and meter. Let's go ahead with our lesson. As discussed previously, perimeter is the length around the outside of a polygon or the parts that surround an area. Okay, this is different from the surface area. The surface area is how much the surface or is inside the polygon. Okay, so for perimeter it's different. For perimeter we're going to calculate the length of the side. Okay, so if we have this, we have another one here, like, okay, I'm going to use this. If the length of this is 4 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters, so that means that the length of this is going to be 4 also, and the length of this is going to be 6 centimeters, just like the one I have at the top. But to find the area of the shape, we have to count the squares, okay, in the shape. But for perimeter, you're going to count that, you're going to add find the distance, okay? You're going to calculate all the distance by the side. So if this is 6 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, this should be 4 centimeters. For some questions, we only be given 2 sides, like this one and this. And you will be given one here and the other side here. So you're going to use the knowledge of what you have here to put here. So if you have 4 centimeters here and the length here is the same as this is a rectangle. So if the length here is 4 centimeters, this should be what? 4 centimeters also. If the length here is 6 centimeters, so this should be what? 6 centimeters also. Yes, the perimeter of a shape is the sum of the length and it's of all its sides. Yes, like I told you, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters. So to find the perimeter, we're going to put all together. We're going to add all together. 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8. So when we put all together, you have 24 centimeters as the perimeter of the shape. Here also, this is a triangle. Okay, so the length here is different from the length here. So you're going to add this plus this plus this. So we have 4 plus 8 plus 6. So that is the perimeter of this shape. To find the perimeter of the shape means you have to calculate the length of the sides. Okay, and just like what we have here. So that is what perimeter is all about, and it is different from area of the shape. So here, click on this link here to watch this video and learn more about this topic. And here is for the online game. So here is the book activity. So first, I would like you to bring out your ruler. Okay, so you're going to use your ruler. Like I told you, when you want to measure, you start from where? When you want to measure in centimeter, look for the part that has cm. Okay, so you start from there, and you start from which number? From 0. So I'm going to place my ruler. I'm just showing you how to do this. So I'll place my ruler, okay, and I'll put 0. Let's start from the end here, and wherever it starts is the length of my pencil. But first, we are asked to estimate the length. Do you remember when we did estimating? So you're going to estimate, you're going to guess. Take a look at this. What length do you think this pencil is? You're going to estimate. Then after that, you're going to use the ruler to find the actual length for you to be sure, for you to know if your estimation is the same as the actual length. So sometimes our estimate is close to the answer, or sometimes your estimate might even be the actual length. So yes, this is what I did here. Okay, so you can see here I have 4 centimeters, okay? The estimate here is 4 check the length, it is 3 centimeters. My estimate for B is 6 centimeters, but when I did this, when I use my pen and my ruler, it is 5 centimeters. For C, my estimate is 7 centimeters, but when I use my ruler, it is 6 centimeters. For D, my estimate is 10 centimeters, but when I check, it is 8 centimeters. So that is how to do this. For question 3, we are going to draw, I didn't put answer here because my length won't match with what you're going to do. So you're going to draw line from each spot to, so you're going to draw lines from each spot to exactly the length given here. So here we have 10 centimeters. So when you want to start, you're going to start from this dot. So you put your ruler here, you start the 0 from here and you measure and stop all where you have 10 centimeters. You put a mark there, you put your line there for only 10 centimeters. So you draw the line from where you have, so you draw from here to where you have 10 centimeters. Mine is short here because I'm using the board and I'm using this. So you're going to use your ruler also. You do the same thing for 6 centimeters. You start from the dot and measure up to 6 centimeters using your ruler. For 3 centimeters, 13 centimeters, you're going to do the same thing, and for 2 centimeters, you do the same thing. So that's about that. Let's get to perimeter. What is the perimeter of this piece of paper? Now let's take a look at this. Like I showed you, like I told you earlier, that if the length of this is 5 centimeters and they both have the same length, okay, then this is also going to be 5 centimeters. If this length here is the same as this and this is 4 centimeters, then this is going to be 4 centimeters also. So let's take a look at what I did. So because this is 4 centimeters, this is also 4 centimeters. And this is 5 centimeters, this is also 5 centimeters. So to find the perimeter, we're going to add all together. We're going to plus. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. So I like doing it like this way. So I add my 5 plus 5. When I add 5 plus 5, I'm going to get what number? 5 plus 5 is what? 5 plus 5 is 10, then this 8, 4 plus 4 is what? So 10 plus 8 is equal to what? 18. That is my answer there. So I like doing it this way. Yes. Now, which of this shape has the largest perimeter? So for you to know the answer here, you're going to put this and try to work it out on your own, or you can decide to do it this way. Since this is 3 centimeters, this is going to be 3. This is 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters also. You find the perimeter of each of the shape for you to know the actual answer here. Which of this shape has the largest perimeter? So if you add this together, 5 plus 5 is what? 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the perimeter here is 16. This is 16 centimeters together. Here you put 6 centimeters here, 6 centimeters here also. 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So 12 plus 2 is what? 14 centimeters. So this is a way, I'm just showing you this for you to know how to come about this. So here, this is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So this will be what? 3 centimeters also. And this is going to be 3 centimeters also. So if you put this together, you're going to have what? 3 times 4 is what? 12. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. So 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So this is 12 centimeters altogether. So which one has the largest perimeter? We have 16 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. Excuse me. So which one has the largest perimeter? Let's take a look at this A, B, or C. Which letter has the largest perimeter? We can see that it is A because it is 16 centimeters. So you're going to do it this way. Then A has the largest perimeter of how many centimeters? 16 centimeters. So this is how to solve this. And that's it. Okay, so for this, you're going to draw this inside your notebook. Here you have to draw 4 different rectangles. And each of them must have a perimeter of 20 centimeters. Okay, so they have to be 4 different perimeters with an area of 20 centimeters each. It's up to you. Okay, you can decide to make it this way. You can decide to make it, they have to be rectangles. Yes, it is very important to make it rectangles. So I'll make one example for you. So 6 centimeters, I'll put 6 centimeters here and 4 centimeters. So if this is 6 centimeters, this is going to be 6 centimeters also, 4 centimeters. So I'll do one, so I want you to do the rest also. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So you put 4 plus 6 plus another 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 is what? 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is 20 centimeters. So you're going to think of another rectangle that you can draw to make another 20 centimeters. And that's it on our lesson for today. Make sure you do your work and send it to your teacher on class video and continue to stay safe. Bye.